Classic sounds, big names, or series on the acts and the songs that made it beyond Jamaica continues tonight with another of dancehall's kings, Yellowman.
Blue with both a sound and certainly a look entirely his own.
Yeah man, stun them. That's the reason why every dance we do, sold out. Because people want to see this albino. Back in the days, you know, them put down albino, then call with dundus, malata, all type of words, you know.
This albino and abandoned one time orphan.
I have to go and stay in one corner while other children gather together. You know, that's the way people treat me, even now, but not like back in the days. A lot of people don't even want to come near me. And I'm a clean person in my heart and in my mind and in my thinking.
Say ow, 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 ow.
The Tasty Talent Contest in 1978 was his big break. Producers are no longer turning up their noses at the strange-looking youngster.
Including John Lord. Because before Tasties, every studio back in the days used to turn me away. All of them.
What they told you?
No, them just run me out of the studio, come out, red boy, you don't know where you come with. Because they never even want to listen or audition me. Even when I do the sound system dance, back in the days, those DJs, other DJs used to use kerchief, cover the mic after we finish DJ, you know?
How did that sort of rejection make you feel as a human being?
Well, it did make me feel down. But at the same time, I say I'm going, you know what, I'm going to capitalize on this. So, I turn it in a strength and energy for me.
I want to hear it from the Mumbai passé. I want to hear it from the Mumbai passé.
From Tasty to the big stage at Reggae Sunsplash.
This old man say he play one. Remember my name is Yellowman.
Yellowman a sensation.
We are the person who make them make dance all night. Because dance all night was a midnight. You know, they put me on like just when the sun coming out. And people were sleeping when other artists on stage. Everybody just sleep. But you see when me go on, the place erupt. People blind me with photos because all me see is like lightning, flash. All the camera them a flash.
Lost me love up on the Queen's Highway.
Yellowman no flash in the dancehall pan. Loved and hated as the king of slackness, Yellowman was signed by Columbia Records in '81, a first for a Jamaican DJ. Mr. Chin, Mad Over Me, I'm Getting Married in the Morning. The singles and albums flowed in the 80s.
A lot of people don't know that Zungu Zungu Zen is the biggest dancehall song on the planet. This is the signature of dancehall. Any producer could choose it. It's like John just see the talent and him capitalize on it. Because most of the hit songs produced by John Joe Zungo 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 Zen. Zungo 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 Zen.
Every decade producing a king. and kings not always ready to share the crown.
Every man is a king. And when I say I am still the king of dancehall, I'm not saying it because I'm on TV or television. I'm saying it because of the people who crown me the king of dancehall. Not the media, not a group of people, not friends, normal Jamaican people. And it's spread across the globe. When you're a king, people follow you. And every hip hop artist follow me back in the days. I don't do a hip hop artist song, just like somebody who saying them is king do my song.
Now one a name Zongo 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 Zen, yeah. Zongo 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 Zen, yeah.
But he gave you the ultimate praise by doing a version of your song.
No, I wouldn't call it praise. He do it for himself. Listen my version, listen to his version. My version is rock solid. His version is cardboard, paper.
Why are you still so angry with Beenie Man?
No, I don't angry with Beenie Man, because him is not Beenie Man. I angry with him, not Beenie Man. Beenie Man is in England, the real Beenie Man, the one back in the days. That little 5-year-old guy who used to go around with Margie, that was Beenie Man. I don't angry with him. I don't know him. He might just pop up on the scene like a little Hans.
He's okay with hip-hop's influence on today's dancehall, but wary of other stuff.
You notice a lot of evil. You have gunman and rapists and criminal coming a dancehall now and drug pusher. People find out that a lot of them type of people they use the dancehall music, even the church, to cover them evil.
At 64, he runs and stays in shape, still defying the odds after a 1982 skin cancer diagnosis and surgeries that removed part of his jaw, still globe-trotting, at least before COVID, and still recording music. No More War, Yellowman's first album in 15 years. And you've done well from touring the world.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Because people all over the world love me. The only place left for me to go is the moon. I want to do a concert on the moon.
But watch Yellowman come